In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table of contents in Google Docs, your go-to fast and easy guide for 2025. Let's get started. First, head over to your Google Docs and open the document where you want to create a table of contents. Once your document is open, navigate to the location within your document where you'd like the table of contents to appear. You can simply click on the area, making sure it's a clean spot with enough space to accommodate the list of contents you're about to create. Now, let's take a quick look down your document to identify your headings and subheadings. Ensuring that titles and subtitles are accurately formatted is crucial for a table of contents to populate correctly. If you haven't already, scroll down and check these are clearly marked. Next, return to the top where you've designated the spot for your table of contents. Click on the Insert option in the top menu bar. This action will reveal a drop-down menu within which you'll find the Table of Contents option. You'll notice a few format choices appear. You can select between plain text or links. Choose the format that best suits your needs and click on it. This action will insert a placeholder table of contents in your chosen spot, awaiting further customization. Now, it's time to ensure each part of your document is assigned the appropriate heading style. Start by highlighting your main title, then click on Format in the menu. Navigate to Paragraph Styles, then hover over and select Heading 1. This step is pivotal because it tells Google Docs that this is a primary section of your document. If the text style, font, or size doesn't suit your needs, no worries. You can customize it. Adjust the font and size to your heart's content, and then click back to the Format menu. Here, you can update heading 1 to match to ensure consistency throughout your headings. With the main title set, let's handle subtitles similarly. Highlight a subtitle, go to Format, choose Paragraph Styles, and then apply Heading 2. If you have additional layers of subtitles, consider using Heading 3 and so on, customizing them as needed. Keep repeating this process for all main titles and subtitles throughout your document. Once you've gone through your whole document and applied the necessary styles, return to your table of contents placeholder. Now return to the top where your table of contents is situated. Click on the refresh icon next to it. This nifty feature pulls in all the headings you've just set up, neatly arranging them into a clickable, organized table of contents. Lastly, if there are any last-minute changes or updates, simply click on the text needing adjustment and refresh again to ensure your table of contents reflects all the latest edits, and there you have it. Your document is now equipped with a professionally organized table of contents. It's that simple and saves you time, especially for longer documents. Enjoy the convenience of easy navigation and a well-structured document. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Google Docs tips.